Hey everyone, after a short break, I'm back on HelloVSTV from my new studio in Los Angeles. Today we are checking out the Sirui Aurora 35mm F1.4 autofocus lens, a budget-friendly prime lens that's gaining a lot of attention. You can also save 5% using the discount code in the description below. So let's unbox this and check it out. Right away, you will notice the solid build quality. It's not only heavy, but it feels good in the hand and not cheap at all. Autofocus is surprisingly quiet, which is important when recording video. Whether you are pulling focus on moving subjects or locking onto a face during an interview, it's stable and smooth. This is where the Aurora series shines. Wide open at f1.4, you get strong center sharpness even without stopping down, smooth and organic bokeh that separates subjects beautifully, and pleasing color rendition with a bit of warmth and contrast. By f2 until f2.8, sharpness improves noticeably across the frame, and by f4 you are getting really crisp images. Some lenses at this price can be soft and wide apertures, but this one delivers usable result right from the start. The autofocus is quiet and reliable. Whether you are shooting run-and-gun content or more controlled interviews, it tracks well and does not hunt excessively in mixed lighting. Manual focus override feels natural, giving you fine control when needed. For video creators, that autofocus reliability paired with smooth transitions is a huge plus. It means fewer focus pulls in post and more time capturing that shot you imagined. The 35mm focal length is a sweet spot, flexible for environmental portrait, street, documentary, and narrative work. It's wide enough to show context, yet tight enough for character. Photographers will appreciate the sharpness and color. Videographers will enjoy the autofocus and bokeh. If you are building your kit and want a versatile, bright prime that does not drain your budget, the Sirui Aurora 35mm f1.4 autofocus is one of the best values right now. It offers strong image quality, quiet and accurate autofocus, cinematic bokeh, and solid build quality. They have a warranty policy as well, and they offer free replacement or damage caused by non-human factors within 3 years, and paid repairment for any damage caused by human factors. At the end, I want to mention that you can save 5% by using my HelloVSTV 5 discount code at checkout. And here are some results I shot with the Sirui 35mm lens on my Sony a7S III. That's it for today's review. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time.